Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. As always, thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. 14 GT today with our Edelbrock 650E Supercharger package. We're going to check out the engine compartment, we're going to make a dyno pull, and hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to watch more cool videos like this. Let's get started. Alright, so here's what we have. I do have Doug with me today. He's going to help us look at the engine compartment. So I guess that's a 14 GT running 93 octane pump gas. It's a manual tranny car. Let's check out the supercharger. This car does have a set of BBK headers on it, so it does have some free-flowing exhaust. And it came in, already has some suspension on it, but okay, the Edelbrock, or 650, here's what you get. It's an intercooled supercharger. You get larger fuel injectors. You get a Kinney Bell boosted pump, colder spark plugs. You get the competition cold air induction system, and it's about 9 PSI a boost. You also get an SCT tuner if you don't have one. If you already have one, we do the calibration through email, or if you're in here, we load it on your current programmer. And this is available in higher or lower horsepower. So if you're not quite looking for what this is gonna make, we can go lower, or if you're wanting more, we can go higher. And then if you have a built engine, we have packages that will handle that as well. So this car hopefully will lay down about 550 to 560 roll horsepower. That would be typical on a manual transmission car like this with this package. Let's go check it out. As always, I will put links in the description so you can read more about the parts. That way, if you have questions, you can click on it, learn a little bit more about it. And don't forget, if you like what you see, you can email quote@brenspeed.com to see how much it costs to get your car built. Here we go. Numbers came out right where I want them. This is a Dyno jet. We're rating SAE. So the rear wheel, 563 row horsepower. That was at 7,200 RPM. Torque, nice and solid, 473.99. Peak torque's at 5,200. And of course, right when I go wide open throttle, we're over 400 all the way across the board. Actually over 400 until 7,200 RPM. So that's awesome. That's the kind of power you're really gonna feel when you drop the hammer and your torque comes in, boom. That's one of the reasons I love these superchargers. So if you have some questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. I wanna show you something else on Edelbrock. I don't know if you ever surfed our website, brenspeed.com. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see what I'm gonna show you, but check this out. So our website's pretty easy. Get on, and we have all the vehicles right here, but I'm gonna go to 11 to 14 Mustang. I just scroll down to superchargers. You see our big variety of superchargers. I'm gonna click on Edelbrock, and that's where you'll find the lower horsepower levels, the higher horsepower levels. And here's something else I just noticed on there right now. Currently, they have a $500 rebate. Now that's not something that may be going on when you're watching this, but every year, Edelbrock typically once throughout the year has a $500 rebate, and sometimes we have rebates as well. So it's always worth checking out the website. And if there's always something you don't see, just call us, and that's how you're gonna find out maybe if there's a particular sale or something like that going on. So don't forget, leave a comment and I'll answer. Thanks.